Tanong na po, tatay.
Anong magagawa ng mga Pilipino inventor sa problemang ito? Yun ang tanong.
Palagay ko, hindi siya ang sasagot.
Ang magagawa ng mga Pilipino isang ako, masolve ko yung problema ng drinking water sa mga island na yun.
At least napagbigyan natin lahat kasi dito sa CCA, pinagbibigyan natin lahat. Ano po? Para walang lalabas dito na masama ang loob. Amen? Kasi bawal po yung may samakay ng loob pagkalabas nyo rito. Kailangan iwanan nyo na yan. Sino ba? Si Atty. Day. Meron kasi tumama si Atty. Day.
Hindi, bakit hindi mo sinagot yung tanong ng
Hindi
inventor?
na, siya na sumagot eh.
Hindi. Ako, brother. Pwede ba tayo na-space? Pwede pa kayo mag-invento ng baril na pagka 10 to, 10 ang patas.
Sabog yun.
Inform that these territories that are good justice informers does not yet belong to the Philippines. Because the Constitution in Article 2 spells the Philippine territory, and the Philippine territory as is spelled now in the current Constitution does not include all these islands that we good justice call them. So the first thing that we should do is we must amend our constitution and include that in the national territory so that we are bound. We will not be stuck with it. See, we are talking that this belongs to the Philippine territory, your own constitution. So that's the thing that we must amend the Philippine constitution.
Okay, Justice, about the proposal to amend the Constitution. As to,
Yeah, it is true that the 1987 Constitution does not include the 3 treaties. There was a debate on this, and the view of Father Bernas won that we don't need to state the 3 treaties anymore because all we have to do is Philippine territory includes all territory of that the Philippines exercises or had sovereignty or jurisdiction. So, pasok doon yun. But, of course, you will have to, if you read it, ano ba yung territories where we have sovereignty or jurisdiction? Hindi agad makita. It would be nice to include the 3 treaties. No? But, it is already there, actually, because you say all the territories where we have exercised sovereignty or jurisdiction. But I agree that I'm in favor, if I were a member of the CONCON, I would vote to retain it to clarify because we forget. Katulad ngayon, nakalimutan na natin yung Treaty of Washington. So, I'm in favor in the next round of amending the Constitution to specify already the treaties. But it's not a problem that it's not there because it says it includes territories where we have exercised sovereignty or jurisdiction.
okay, thank you, Brad.